Starlight Sunset fans, we're going to winterize the Jayco. Got a little cold front coming in. Shouldn't be any issue, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. I know that all of the tanks have been drained out. The potable water tank that if I was using it off-grid with a pump, I haven't put any water in it or any through the pump, so I don't have to worry about draining that out. I know that I cleaned it out last year or before last winter, so we're good there. But just to give you an idea of what we're working with, if you haven't watched our channel, we got a Jayco J-Flat 175 RD SLX. It's an 18-foot, has a restroom or a bathroom in it and a sink. So there's not a whole lot that has to be done. Main part will be draining the hot water heater, and I have this 4-way that I keep in my camper just in case I have an issue on the road. Got it from Walmart for a couple bucks, and it actually has the right size connection. So what we're going to do, come over to our hot water heater, pop that open, and if you can see right here, there's a little plastic screw that holds or keeps the water in. So everything's turned off. So put this on here. We'll get it started with that, and then basically just take this screw out, get our tool out of the way so that when the water drains out, it's not going to run all over it. And basically it'll drain hot water heater. So we're going to go to turn the hot water switches on, or the faucet on. That'll help it drain out a little faster. Open all the drains. We have our bathroom. We'll open these drains as well. So while that's draining, we're going to add some antifreeze to the traps. Okay, as the hot water heater's draining, we just stopped by Walmart, got some RV and marine antifreeze. Now we are in the middle of December, so hasn't been cold. Actually, the morning before last, it was 68 degrees in the morning whenever we got up at 6 o'clock. But there was a cold front came through. It's supposed to be down to 32 overnight. Stay there for a couple of hours. Probably would not have any problem, but I'm rather be safe than sorry. So for $3, I don't have to worry about it. So we're just pouring a little bit into the trap. I know that I drained my tanks really well the last time I was out last weekend, so there shouldn't be that much water in those tanks. But I am going to put enough in that it'll get a little bit of it down into the holding tank, the gray water tank. Same thing with the bathroom or the shower. Just get it in the traps. in the commode. And I know I drained these really well, so there's not that much water in either one, in the gray or the black water tank. So just enough to keep it, anything that was left over from freezing. So there we are, we're good with that. We'll put this right here for next time. So it's supposed to be down into the 30s tonight, or below freezing tonight, which is only for a couple hours, so it shouldn't have done any, or it wouldn't cause any issues, I don't believe. But for $2 or $3 from Walmart for antifreeze, and 5 minutes to unscrew to drain the hot water heater, better safe than sorry. So I know that if I'd been using the potable water and had to drain my pumps and everything, there are some low point drains right here. And there's one on this side as well. Okay, we're drained out here. And then we have our drain. And you see there's nothing coming out of it, so I'm not worried about any water in that tank. So that should be good. So within 15 minutes we have it winterized, ready to go. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you haven't seen our camping videos, appreciate it if you take a look at those. If you like those, hit that thumbs up. Maybe hit that subscribe button if you like this information that I'm showing you on different parts of repair and maintenance on the trailer. So for now, starlight sunsets going down.